With currency in technology, Arco has established a focused approach to serve its clients by delivering quality products at competitive prices. Expanding production capacities to achieve faster manufacturing is our goal. Arco has established a manufacturing capacity to accept large quantity orders with assured delivery schedules based on its abilities to work in tandem with production, planning tools, dedicated manforce, and state-of-the-art machinery. We pay attention to minor details in achieving utmost customer satisfaction. We have been successful in gaining the trust of our associates worldwide by demonstrating our capabilities from design, development, customization to the end product delivery. We seek long-term association with our clients to provide with the best of our skills and set up for mutual growth and prosperity. Our motto is to invest in lasting relationships. Let's learn science.